zip ties and bias plies. January burnout challenge coming at you late because I got a bunch of kids and stuff to do. Here's the 454 Chevy swap truck. You can check out the other videos on my channel. This year I'm going to be starting out with a lot more stuff to get this thing going right. Hopefully you enjoy the burnouts. Batteries in. Let's see if 590 cold crikey amps does a big block Chevy. Last one was 750. Yeah, parts. All these parts will make it good, but not today. That's a screwdriver. Ooh, oh, the blower motor works. That's nice. Battery's good. Ooh, so let's grab this bad boy just for fun. Well, there we go. Let's see if it breaks down. We got some slow people up ahead of us here. Let's see if we can have a little fun here. Oh, maybe I can not break it before I get home. Let's do it again. That's awesome. A photographer just stopped and took pictures of me doing the burnouts, and he's going to send me some edited photos tonight. So maybe some cool cover photo opportunities there. Like I said, I just met this photographer. He pulled up as I was spinning tires and asked if I wanted to do another one. So here are the pictures. They're awesome. It's Chuck Williams Photography. Check him out at Chuck Williams Photo on Instagram. You can see that this guy really has an eye and has some great car photos as well. This thing spins them so easily, it's not even funny. Alright, here she is. In the end, and during the burnout, it was raining antifreeze out of this radiator. I smell fuel. There's lots of steam. Oh yeah, you can see the leaks all over in the radiator here. There's work to do, but that was fun. I think that's about it for this episode. There's a lot more videos coming on this truck by popular demand. This is the time where I need to call out other channels for the Zip Ties and Bias Plies challenge. So I nominate Toy Shop Fab _ Johnny Biggs. That's Johnny Biggs. Check him out on Instagram and on YouTube and subscribe to his channel. It's great content, really connected with that guy. And also check out Gears and Arms. Excellent content on that channel. Hit that subscribe button on both of those guys' channels, and I hope to see some burnouts from both of them soon. I know this video is a little late for the Zip Ties challenge, but I got 4 kids, and they're all over. There they are. Thanks for watching Riggs Garage. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.